Meaning of distant.
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 Distant. The term distant refers to something that is far away or separated by space or time. It can be used to describe physical distance between objects or people, as well as emotional or psychological distance in relationships. The concept of distance is relative and can vary depending on the context in which it is used. The feeling of distance can evoke a sense of isolation or detachment, but it can also be a necessary aspect of growth and change. Overall, the meaning of distant revolves around a sense of separation or distance between things or people.